Welcome to the greytHR How-To video series. In this video, we will talk about how to hold the salary payout for an employee from your greytHR account. The Hold Salary Payout feature on greytHR will help you hold an employee's salary payout. You must perform this process for various reasons, such as the employee might be absconding, serving the notice period, or some vital employee details might need to be completed. When an employee is added to the Hold Salary Payout list, all the statutory components, such as PF, ASI, and income tax will be calculated and remitted to the concerned department. Only the net pay will be put on hold. Let's get started by navigating to the payroll module from your greytHR admin login. Under the payout section, you can view the Hold Salary Payout page. On this page, you will find a list of employees whose salaries are currently put on hold for a specific payroll month. Click on the Hold Salary Payout button to add an employee to this list. You can search for an employee whose salary you want to put on hold from here. Select the reason for holding the employee's salary from the drop-down list, and then enter the remarks if required. Click on the Hold button, then click on Confirm. Now on this page, you can see the newly added employee part of the Hold Salary Payout list. Before you make a payout to the employee, you can come to the same page and click on the Delete icon if you want to remove the entry in the same payroll month and make payment. Then click on Confirm. When you add an employee to the Hold Salary Payout list, then that particular employee's details will not reflect in the bank transfer statement for payout. Also, when you release the payslip for all the employees for the specific month, then that particular employee's payslip will not be released. As mentioned earlier, Hold Salary Payout means that all the statutory components such as PF, ASI, and income tax will be calculated and remitted to the concerned department. Now, let me show you how to release the Hold Salary Payout for an employee. Kindly note, this can be done only in the future months. To release the Hold Salary Payout for an employee in the coming months, navigate to the Payroll Inputs section and click on Release Salary. On this page, you can find the list of employees whose salary is put on hold. Click on the Edit icon to release the salary. From the drop-down list, select the hold month. Then select the release reason and enter the remarks. Click on the Release button. Click Confirm. Now the employee salary has been released for the current payroll month. The employee will see the released salary details in the current month's payslip, under Gross, and the component name will be Hold Salary. The released salary will not be added to the current month's taxable income, since we have already calculated all the statutory deductions and remitted them to the concerned department. I hope you clearly understand how to perform the Hold Salary Payout functionality of employees. With that, we come to an end. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel to get updates about our upcoming videos.